If you are a student or do office work or like me spend most of the time working on a laptop and cannot write or type properly due to the cold, then the solution is this heater. Yes, only this heater. Because you can control the wattage of this heater, which means your electricity bill won't be too high. It's quite affordable and the safety is mind-blowing. It has a 12-inch reflector heating dish attached which reflects heat well in any direction. This heater offers two power regulation modes. Using this button, you can run the heater at 300 watts or 600 watts. Personally, I use it at 300 watts as it is usually placed close to me. And the interesting thing is that it also works on UPS when there is a power outage. If we talk about the price, this heater is quite affordable, costing a few bucks. There were some other models which were more expensive because those models had regulators and their heaters also had an adjustable reflector dish. And this heater, I can't adjust the reflector up or down. And to be very frank, if you are going to use it on a table, this kind of heater is more than enough. Talking about safety, it is fully insulated because its entire body is made of plastic. You can touch the reflector. Its heating element is placed inside a glass tube and you can see that its wires are also well insulated. You can use it without worry in a room where children are present. Personally, I found about this heater quite late, so I thought I would make a video about it. If you like the heater and the review, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.